Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl VanessaK7 back with another makeup video. So I told you guys I was back on YouTube. Check my first couple of videos. And today's makeup video, for those who don't have any cheekbones like me. Some people may argue and say that I do have cheekbones, but the reality is, guys, I don't. You know how Kim K has that faint cheekbone hollow shade there? I just don't have it. Some people just don't have it. It's a personal preference of mine. I think the cheekbones look great. That's actually the main reason why I contour. So in this video I'm going to show you guys very simple and easy method that I found to create the cheekbone. For those who don't have that hollow thing, I'm still young, but I feel like it comes when you're older. I've just seen a lot of like older women have this hollow cheekbone and I just don't have it. So I thought, if I don't have it, I'm gonna create it. Before we get into this tutorial and this helpful short video, I just want to let something be known. Did you know that the thumbs up button is free of charge? Like when you click it, no money comes out of your pocket. It's free to click. Let's just get straight into it. I only have foundation on at the minute. That's what my skin is giving. I haven't highlighted at the minute, and I normally like to contour before I highlight, but it doesn't matter which way around you guys choose to do this. My contour stick, which is the Fenty contour stick in the shade Espresso. It's the mini one, so I only have this much left. Now I'm just gonna go and smile. When you have no cheekbones and you smile, it forces a cheekbone to come out. I realize I cannot actually contour my cheekbones because I don't have any, so I have to kind of smile to create it. And as you can see, guys, as I'm smiling, I can see a sort of contour appearing where I'm supposed to be contouring. Now everyone's face shape is different. You just need to try to contour for your shape and to use kind of your natural features to guide where your makeup goes. I feel like a professional right now speaking. I am not. Don't smile, and I can already see like this is where I need to be contouring, right here. If I don't smile, I don't know where to draw the contours. Starting from the corner of my mouth, kind of going up to my ear. So this is where I want my contour line. So I'm gonna smile and draw it to the top of my ear, down to my mouth. There we go. And then same with the other side. Smile. Like that. And yeah, this looks crazy, but then it looks better. I'm gonna blend it in an upwards motion and a stippling motion. Sorry, my hair's in the way, guys. So you want to stipple and blend up at the same time. And this is just how I do it, guys. This isn't a professional makeup guide. It's literally how I found a way to create cheekbones myself. And I blend upwards because I feel like when I do highlight afterwards, I can cover any excess contour. Whereas if I contour downwards, it would basically take my contour lower, and I don't need it to go any lower. If anything, I need it to go higher. So yeah. Keep blending, guys. We're blending this year, okay? We're blending. Okay. And then the other side. As I finish blending now, making sure any harsh lines are out, you guys can see. Now when I smile, you will see how defined my cheekbones look. compared to before. There is that shadow that I want. I need you guys to get your foundation, your normal foundation shade. So I have foundation on already, but I'm going to get my foundation shade. And preferably, guys, get a flat brush, because, or precision brush, whichever way it is. Look how precise that one is. And then I'm not going to pump any foundation, because this is, you don't require a lot of foundation with this step. I'm just going to take the excess foundation from the top of my foundation onto the top of the brush. Smile again. I'm going to start from under the contour, from the corner of my lip again, and brush up. You see how that's created like a faint line? That's going to give that definition, but also it's not going to give that harsh line. Okay, you see how we got that Kim K hollow bone there? Just take excess foundation, even if you want to pump. It's like the tiniest bit of excess foundation, guys, the tiniest bit. Do not ruin it with this whole, you don't need a lot of foundation for this. Corner of your mouth, contour to the top of your ear. No, you're not covering the contour, you're just tracing a line underneath it. I'm going to get my beauty blender and just take out the harsh line. Remember, guys, we're blending all throughout this year because I can't deal with the harsh lines. And I feel like I'm someone who actually needs to work on my blending a bit more. I'm not even going to lie before you guys come in the comments. But you don't blend your nose contour. I don't want to hear it, right? So already you can see that I have this kind of hollow line that I've created. Here you guys can see that. Sorry guys, let me just finish the rest of my makeup before I come back. So I'm not going to do a tutorial because I've already kind of done a highlight and contour, an updated highlight and contour video. It's on my channel and it is here if you click the card. I'm just going to continue to do the rest of my makeup and then come back and then show you guys what the full face looks like. Hi guys, I'm currently highlighting my face. I'm just going to quickly show you this step. So I just take some warm powder with my puff brush, the tiniest bit, and to sharpen my cheekbone, kind of smile again and sharpen it with powder. Tiniest bit there. Sharpen it. Guys, this is very, very important. If you have powder foundation, please use that on top instead of any yellow loose setting powder. It will look so much more natural. I had to do a lot of blending because I do not have powder foundation, so I had to go over with kind of a bronzer to get rid of the harsh line. So please use finishing powder or foundation powder on top. My son actually woke up in this bit, so I'm doing a voiceover, guys. Hope you don't mind. So I'm literally now just blending out that powder line because we don't want to see that white cast. So blend, blend, blend. So I'm literally just blending to get rid of any harsh lines. I want everything to look seamless. I'm blending, guys. B is for blend. Blend, blend. But you won't have to do this much blending if you use a finishing powder or a foundation powder close to your skin tone. I'm now going to take my Sculpting contour from Revolution and create a little bit more of a shadow. So it's basically setting my contour. I'll use just a tiny bit of this. I don't want to go overboard. And just stipple it into your cheek where the contour is to create a more hollow line or depth, to create more depth into the cheekbone. And that is the final step. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. All the products will be in the information box to take away so you guys can practice this at home. You don't have to get the exact products. My son's awake. Hi guys, so I have to finish this in an audio. I was going to say that you don't have to get the exact same brand of products that I have. You can just get similar products. I really hope that this tutorial was informative. Every bit of product technique that I used will be in the description box. Please open it and guys, like, comment and share. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.